You got one? Yeah, buddy. Elijah just hooked up. Try to get this double header. Is it big? It's big? Got him! Double header! Double header! Bring that over here. Keep it in the water.
Big asshole, bro.
What's that scar on his stomach? What's that scar? Oh, this is the alright one. I think a little smaller than that one. Oh, no, it's pretty big. Is he still alive? Buck. Double header.
Same darts.
Same darts. Same pole. Same line. Same line.
Same nigga. Quick release.
You got your pliers on?
What?
Pliers on? Come on, bro. Come on. I'm trying to let you go, buddy.
Get that little nigga away from me, bro.
Look. There you go. There you go. Come make it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good shit.